with these. Yes,
these
yes.
are so precious. These are so pretty. These look like designer, and they are. DreamJeannes flat waistband indigo floral straight jeans. I'm sorry, I have to have a favorite. The white is incredible. Like, look at the blue, like embellishment on the white. So Crystal has the white, and the blue, the white and blue, by the way, are so interior designer colors right now.
Yes, yes.
It's stunning. And then I know, Angel, I'm gonna give you some love. All right, so she has the dark indigo, and that is the dark indigo that Angela has, extra, extra small 5X. So it comes in regular 30, and short, which is their petite, is 28 inches. And then look at this color.
Yes, this is our vintage.
This is the vintage I've never seen a vintage from.
Isn't that gorgeous?
It is so pretty, but it is really about this, Angel.
Yes.
Talk to me.
And so this is that flat waist again. You have that nice elastic at the tippity top of the waist. But this is not going to be, you know, binding or uncomfortable. It just lays really nicely. Functioning front pockets, a straight leg style. So classic. It's going to ease over the body so nicely, no matter how you're shaped, whether you're curvy or whether you're full in the middle like me. It's just going to fit you really beautifully. Then we give you this indigo floral. Sometimes we'll do that where we just really focus on the blue one colorway. So you get that blue. So this is super denim friendly. In different tones here of those blues. Really pops on the white, as you have said, and perfect for right now.
So fresh.
Perfect going into spring, into summer, and then back into fall, because you know, I'm not really the best with the flowers, but you know, the pansy top totally identifies to me as spring, right? But this is kind of, it's chic, it's comfortable.
Cottage.
Throw this on, English cottage. Throw this on with a beautiful cardigan and a white collared blouse, right? Or throw it on with cowboy boots and a little cowboy hat.
Oh, these are the jeans that your girlfriends are gonna come up to you and go, these are so cute. Because I saw them on the rack and I was like, I can't even with this. It's so pretty. And that's why I have to say, Nancy really loves the white. I mean, I love white anyways, because every single one of these like color rainbow of tops always look good with white. And it just looks so fresh. There's something about a woman that wears like a white dream jean jegging that just looks so fresh.
No, I know. And this is a straight leg.
The straight
we
jean,
had it. We had a jegging on earlier in the show, but this is the straight leg.
Just a little more dressier.
And more, for me, it's more classic, Nancy, because not everybody, like if I had a choice, now of course I love everything, right? But if I had a choice to choose between a jegging or a straight leg, because of my body shape, 9 times out of 10, I will go for a straight leg. Because I find that it balances me out a little bit more, right? Now, there's a time and a place for a jegging, and I do enjoy the jeggings with a big cozy sweater and a little fun shooty or a booty, right? So I'm really glad that the design team chose to do this detail on a straight leg, because it is classic and because you can wear it 12 months out of the year.
Obviously, I'm giving this a lot of love. Here is the white, extra, extra small 5X. And I love that it has it on both sides. Yes?
I want to explain short, but you go through the colors first, please.
Flat on the back, right?
Because I haven't done that yet.
All right, here is white. Here is the vintage, which I've never seen before. And then you really see that beautiful embroidery of that. I don't know what flower it is, but
I don't either.
We'll call him up. And then here is the dark indigo.
There we go.
Most limited in the dark indigo. Okay, Fred, what were you saying?
So we do what's called short. We don't do petite. And that was a request from Jean Bice, our founder. She would always say, I'm short, I'm not petite. I still need a full rise. So the rises are the same on the short and the regular. This is the front rise, this is the back rise, right? From the top of the waistband to where all 4 pieces of fabric meet in the center crotch point. You can see that right there, right? So that's the front rise, the reverse is the back rise. That's the same measurement. Your only measurement difference is the inseam. Okay. And so some people, like I'm tall, but I have a long torso. So I can wear the short or the regular, depending upon what shoes I'm wearing. And a lot of other women can do that as well. You know, I'm not curvy, so my hips and my booty don't bring up the pants like they do with some people. So it just really depends on where, you know, what footwear I'm planning to wear with them. So you can customize it to fit you. And my recommendation is to just, check it out, take your favorite pair of pants, measure that inseam to see what is the best length for you. And can you share those inseams again, please?
Short is 28 and regular is 31 inches.
Wow, it's 31? Wow, okay.
Also, Crystal, I know that you're really loving that white.
I do.
Yeah, right? I think she and I are having the same taste. It's just the blue with the white. It's just so feminine and special. And then thank you. Yeah, you're right. This is the straight jean, which can be very elevated and very dressed up if you'd like. There's something very floral, feminine, flirty with that beautiful like blue. And then I've been looking at a lot of magazines, girl. I either watch a lot of reality shows or I'm reading a lot of magazines. And I feel like the blue and white for like interior decorating is everything, but I've never seen your vintage, and you're showing them the vintage, right?
So the vintage is a nice go-between between the dark indigo and our medium wash. But you can see here, this is that knit French terry, 96% cotton, 4% spandex, dyed to look like denim, and loving these colors.
Okay, here is the vintage. There is the dark indigo. And finally, Nancy's favorite, white, new, only order of the year. White. I would definitely get the white. It's fabulous. So pretty. All right. Hi, Angela.